Hey guys, it's Kyle. I'm from Anderson Manufacturing, and I'm here today to talk to you about our Kiger 9C series. First one I'm going to hit on, which is a sneak peek, is the Kiger 9CL. It's got your 4.5 inch barrel, your extended slide, your RMR optics cut. Your sights are the polymer low profile. They got the two black and the white up front, white dot up front.
And are those compatible with G.O.A.L sights?
They are. Our Kigers are 100% compatible with Glock 19 Gen 3 parts and components. We got some nice texturing here. Makes it easy to rack. Get it ready to go. St. Croix Tactical did the slide for us. It's very nice. Got that aggressive texturing. Your gas pads, and you're going to see that on all our Kiger models here. Same thing as everything else except Glock 19 Glock mags. Got your nice deep undercut for the trigger guard there. You got some aggressive texturing here. I don't necessarily hold my pistol that way, but some people do. And then, like I said, the gas pads. And that's the 9CL. We'll move over here to the 9C Pro. The 9C Pro, again, RMR cut. It's got your steel suppressor height sights. Some lightning cuts up here in the slide. A cut here for if you want to run with a ported barrel. Your barrel's fluted with some cool texturing right there on the block.
Yeah, it's not really picking up on camera. Yeah, I can see it now.
There we go.
Yeah.
And same frame here. You got your 1913 Picatinny up front. I forgot to mention that. Your undercut beaver tail here. That way you can get a nice purchase. Really going hard. We got a Zerotech optic mounted to this bad boy. And then we got the 9C standard model, which is the same deal. Glock 19 Gen 3 parts and components. Doesn't have the fancy upgrades that the Pro does, so you don't get the flutes in the barrels. The block's just your standard Mark 9 mil, but they do come in different colored frames, again, from the St. Croix Tactical. Nice, crisp, reset and trigger pull. It's not anything like your standard Glock trigger would be. So,
right.
But the thing we're thinking with the Kiger 9C is let's go ahead and do the upgrades that people would typically do to their 19. Get that out of the way and still have it at a blue collar working man's price point, which is what we're all about here at Anderson. So getting these upgrades in, getting them out to people, gives us a lot of pride in what we do and the product. So everything's covered, lifetime warranty, all that good stuff. Find them at andersonmanufacturing.com and on social media at Anderson Manufacturing.
Now, grip angle, is that standard Glock or more like a 1911?
It's closer to 1911. It's not right on there, but yeah, it's not your standard grip angle either.
Right.
For me, it's perfect for my hand.
Yeah, I have issues with Glock because my wrist.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So, just another one of those modifications we made where we heard people's feedback and kind of made what the people wanted, what our customer base wants.
Right. Nice. Nice. Well, thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Hey, thank you, Rich.
Yep.
Now listen up, babies. I'm here to ride the train down the funky town. The Unloaded Media Channel is doing a giveaway once he hits 500 subscribers. For more information and details, check the description down below. And you too can be funky like a monkey.
What a whee!